Mishimoto, back with another video. Before we continue, man, if y'all can share, like, and subscribe this video into this channel, I appreciate it. Other than that, man, today we about to jump into some, it's like 1,000,000 degrees outside today. And I don't know if I'm hot. It's about to be hot. So we about to upgrade the radiator. Keep it cool. Still joke, it's all good. Other than that, man, I don't got nothing else to add. I'll let y'all know which radiator I got, what tools y'all gonna need, and how to do it. And again, disclaimer, I'm not a mechanic, I'm not. Just a guy who loves his Maxima, just so happens to have some tools to work on. That's pretty much it. So, if there's nothing else to add, man, we're about to jump into it. Ride with your boy. All right, so we about to mess with the radiator. Everything you gotta do is get to the drain plug. You don't have to jack your car, but I didn't feel like reaching all the way underneath and all that, so just had it up in the air, right here. It's your drain plug. So you pretty much have to unscrew it, drain all the radiator fluid out. Make sure you have a container to catch it. This is not the original radiator off the car. This is for an automatic, so if you do have an automatic, make sure you disconnect your transmission line here. I believe it's for the transmission, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty much you want to work from the bottom, open the plug, drain it out, disconnect your lines if you have any, and then once all the water's out, we'll just unclip this clamp, get all the water out from the hoses, which will help drain from the engine bar. I got it draining. Just gonna go ahead and take the cap off. It's gonna give you ventilation flow path, which is gonna essentially add the air to get the water out quicker. Once that's done, we're gonna remove the intake to get to the radiator, which is right here. These clips are also gonna come off too, so. And again, we're gonna remove all the clamps, so, yeah. All right, so went ahead and took the cap off, took the clips that held the radiator. Essentially, all you gotta do is just pull these up a little bit, both sides, slide them out, don't lose them. Disconnected the harness from the radiator fan. They go right here. Right there, you need pretty much a screwdriver. Your fingers can't get the clip. And you want to just like press in and pull up. Comes out in the bottom. All right, so now we're gonna remove the upper hose, drain as much as it can come out of, drain that. The fan's held by a 10mm bolt. We're gonna unscrew it on both sides. I already did this one. We're gonna do that one. And then this should come up as one big assembly. All right, went ahead and pulled the radiator out. It's sitting right there. Drained with the fan still on it. All right, y'all, this is the radiator. It's a Mishimoto aftermarket radiator. A couple $100. Came with a lifetime warranty, which is why I went with that instead of something else. The packaging was pretty good. You know, a few bent pins, but nothing crazy, so whatever. All right, so far everything's lining up. We're gonna go ahead and put the fan on and screw it in, attach the hoses back, and fill it up. You gotta make sure those fan prongs are in the bracket on the radiator. All right, we're gonna put the top together, put the bushings back, tie the secure the 10mm bolts, cap, the reservoir wire, hose, upper engine hose. Now I just gotta put the fan clips back on. And the harness back to the fans. That's one. And this is two. Good to go there. All right, jump on the bottom and connect the bottom hose. All right, and I got the bottom hose on, secured it, also tightened the drain plug. So this is the Mishimoto coolant that I bought with the radiator. Pretty much gonna follow the directions with summary. Add it, stop before you overflow the radiator, turn on the car, let it run for about 10-15 minutes, and then it should be good. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, turn on the car, fill it up, everything's good. You let it run for those 10-15 minutes, like it said. It's the temperature. Awesome. Alright, so we're pretty much done. Appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. Yeah.